Good evening, everybody. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are looking at how to decongest our guts from lot of mucus. You know, we are entering the flu season, coupled with the fact that there is COVID-19 ravaging part of the world, and it's a global pandemic. But you have to keep your guts moist, especially with hot water infused with lots of fruits and vegetables, which includes lime, lemon. You have your ginger already grated, you have lemon, I have a bit of fresh mint and a little bit of honey to decongest whatever infusion you want to do. But today I'm going to do the ginger and lemon slash mint, vegetable infusion, so as to help us during this cold season, especially now that rains are beginning to fall, and we don't want a situation where our immune will be, dampened with what is happening around us. Come along as we go. Thank you. The first thing I'm going to do now, this is my hot water. I want to get my hot water. This is right. It's boiled. Then I want to, press my lemon to get out the juice. It could be it's washed already. Then I cut it into half. Cut it into half for you to be able to see it. I cut it into half and then I squeeze. I squeeze the old juice out of it. I squeeze. The zest is equally very good, but notwithstanding, I just need the juice for now because I'm going to add other additive to it. It works for so many things. It's rich in antioxidants, as well as the fact that even if you want to treat obesity to an extent, you can. I infuse a bit of my ginger into it. This is my ginger, already grated into it. Already grated. I'm okay with this. And then I do what? I stir it. I want to have everything infusing. Then I take my honey. It's going to be a bit acrid, so I'll take a little bit of my honey. Just 1 tablespoon. I'm going to use a tablespoon now. It's having a very nice color now. For me to be able to have a very good aroma out of this is the mint leaf. Yes, I'll just infuse little into it, just for the aroma. I can start perceiving it now. Yeah, I think this is okay for now. I don't want it to be much. Oh, I can perceive it now. Yeah, you have this fine minty aroma coming out of the tea. Then I allow it to settle. Everything comes into it. It looks very soupy, but the end product is that it is lovely. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Beauty for Ashes. We have a lot of other things that will be coming up after this. Press that red subscription button and share as much as possible. Let us decongest our gut during this rainy season. Thank you.